this a little brewing controversy. Young Jamaica footballer Dujuan Whisper Richards is about to venture into Europe again for some trial stints in England and elsewhere. And of course, we know the odds are long and very few players actually get contracts from trials. So while people are hopeful for Whisper, the optimism is cautious. The fact is though, Whisper has exceptional football and athletic qualities which are comparable to any 17-year-old player in the world. In other words, I don't think a lot of 17-year-old players possess the size, height, strength, pace, power, and technical qualities as Dujuan Richards. So whether or not he gets through with the trial in England or it's the other one in another country, this youth, I think, with his level of unique qualities, Whisper will be less dependent on luck, and that scouts and agents will recognize and value his qualities. Me just want to say to the young baller, go forth into Europe, and when you get there, don't whisper. Make some noise! Make some noise!